Welcome to the most beautiful mosque in Qatar. We are in the Education City and we'll start with the Education City Mosque. Let's go. From the outside, it looks exactly like a spaceship. But it is actually one of the most unique places of worship in the world. As you can see, the entire building is lifted off the ground, resting just on 5 main columns. This is actually a tribute to the 5 pillars of Islam, which hold up the faith just as they hold up this building. The most striking features are these minarets. See, unlike traditional mosques where the towers are straight, here the building curves upward. And these minarets are also leaning and are pointing directly towards Mecca. The calligraphy is also designed to be read vertically, which forces your eyes to naturally look up towards the sky. Making our way up the stairs, we walk towards the main entrance of the mosque and the most famous courtyard. This courtyard is designed to feel like a pure Islamic garden, an oasis of knowledge and light. And as we walk through, you can notice the water flowing. There are 4 streams of water that symbolize the 4 rivers of paradise mentioned in the Holy Quran: water, honey, milk, and wine. The calligraphy you see on these walls is not just decoration. It is actually verse 35 from Surah An-Nur. God is the light of the heavens and the earth. As we step inside the mosque, the first thing you notice is the light. You can see the ceiling is perforated with hundreds of small openings. It is designed to look like twinkling stars, bringing natural light into the prayer hall without it being too harsh. The architecture guides your eye in a spiral, naturally lifting your gaze upwards. And it's just incredibly peaceful in here. And finally we reach the mihrab, the niche that indicates the direction of the prayer. The golden calligraphy against the pristine white wall is just stunning. So if you are ever in Doha, this mosque is an absolute masterpiece that you have to see for yourself. Thank you for exploring it with me. Do subscribe and check out other videos from my Qatar trip.